In this video, I'm going to go with you step by step in buying your first Bitcoin. Let's take a quick trip around the block. Hi, I'm Nate Martin. Welcome to Around the Block, where we go step by step in how to use cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to go over one of the easiest ways to buy Bitcoin on your iPhone as an absolute beginner. We're going to download a wallet, secure it, and buy our first Bitcoin with Apple Pay. First, we're going to download a software wallet app. One app that we recommend is Exodus. It has a beautiful interface and is easy to use. So let's go to the App Store, search for Exodus Wallet, and the app will look like this. Go ahead and download it now. One of the more confusing terms when it comes to cryptocurrencies is the word wallet. When I describe a wallet in this video, I'm referring to the program or device you use to access your funds. Those funds are always on the Bitcoin network. They don't actually go into your wallet. So the wallet is actually more like what we used to call a passbook or checking ledger. Stop it. Yes, I am that old. So a Bitcoin wallet simply allows you to see how much Bitcoin is in your account and allows you to receive into and send from that account. Okay, step one is done. We've downloaded our wallet. Now let's go to step two and secure our address. The first time you open a wallet like Exodus, it will access a new address on the Bitcoin network. That address is yours. You didn't have a choice. It's just there. Now, to claim ownership of that address, you're going to need to write down on paper the 12-word secret phrase that will allow you to re-access that address if you delete the app from your phone or if you were to get a new phone. The newly installed or the newly updated app will automatically open or access another new Bitcoin address. So if you want to recover the address that has your money in it, you're going to need to recover the wallet. And the only way to do that is with your 12-word seed phrase or key phrase. So let's go ahead and do that now. What you're going to want to do is see in the lower part of the app, you're going to see three icons: a wallet icon, an exchange icon, and a profile icon. Now, in order to get your recovery phrase for the wallet that you're going to use or the address that you're going to use with this wallet, you're going to tap security and you're going to tap backup. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you whether you're being watched or whether there are any cameras in the area that could actually copy down your seed phrase, which would mean that you have a compromised account because somebody else has a key to your money. Now, what you want to do is hit View Secret Phrase. Now, you'll notice that you're going to have 12 words. They're all dashed out until you actually press and hold to reveal the words that are your 12-word seed phrase. What you want to do now is go ahead and write those 12 words down in order on a piece of paper. That is your key to recover your wallet if you have to update or reinstall the app for any reason on your device. Finally, we're going to be buying our first Bitcoin using Exodus as a broker. Now, a broker has Bitcoin to sell, and we're going to be buying it directly from them. They make money by either charging the fee, usually between 3 and 3.5%, or by charging you about that much more for the Bitcoin you're buying. Exodus does the latter. They charge about 3% more than what you could find as a spot price on any exchange. Now, using Exodus, if you go to buy Bitcoin using Apple Pay, you can see a slider. And what that slider will allow you to do is buy between $50 and $500 worth of Bitcoin using Apple Pay. So choose how much you're going to spend and then hit Buy Now. Don't worry, it's not going to buy your Bitcoin quite yet. There's still one more step you'll have to take before the purchase is finalized. Because if you go to buy, say, $100 worth of Bitcoin and hit Buy Now, you're going to see that you're going to be buying $99 worth of Bitcoin and be charged a $1 card processing fee. So not only are you paying about 3 to 3.5% more for the Bitcoin than you would on an exchange, but you're also paying a $1 fee. And that fee is the same regardless of whether you buy $50 worth of Bitcoin or $500 worth of Bitcoin. Now, if you want to go ahead and make your purchase, go ahead and double click on the side of your phone if you have an iPhone 11 like I do, or complete the purchase the way that your iPhone would determine that that would be done. Now that you've completed your purchase, it'll only take a couple of minutes for your balance to show up in Exodus. Congratulations, you've bought your first Bitcoin. Exodus is great as a mobile wallet, and its broker service is easy to use to begin buying Bitcoin and other digital assets. Exodus also has a great desktop interface, which they've made easy to synchronize with other devices so you can manage your Bitcoin account from either your computer or your iPhone. But we'll cover that in the next video. Make sure to leave your questions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you'll know as soon as we post a new video. Until next time, I'll look forward to our next trip around the block.